Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So you know that we have a Playwright Codegen through which we can generate the scripts and that works within the Playwright. Now, what if I tell you that there is a very good Chrome extension known as Playwright CRX and it's just like a Codegen inside a browser. So you can directly record the test, generate the scripts within the browser similar to just like you do in the Codegen. So in this particular tutorial, I will show you how you can work with this particular extension and how you can generate Playwright Python Pytest scripts within the browser just like you do with the Codegen. So let's begin. So first you need to go to the browser and in the browser you need to search for Playwright CRX extension. So Playwright CRX extension, and this is a link official one, Chrome Web Store one. So click on this one. I have already installed this one, that's why it's saying remove from the Chrome. So let me remove this one right now. Remove, and for you it will show add to Chrome. Click on this one, add extension, and you need to go up over here in the extensions and you need to pin this one, and where it is, so basically this one, just pin this one over here. And now if you click on this one, you will see exactly like a Codegen within a browser. So for this demonstration I will be using the orange HRM. So let me go here, and now I just need to click on this one, and you see we have a panel and it's very much similar to what we have in the Codegen. So we can record, we can pick the locator within the browser, we can assert the visibility, and you will see the same exact options in the Codegen. And here we can select the target. So for us, as we are working on right now Playwright Python Pytest series, so I will generate the Pytest one from here. Okay, but again it's really simple. So what I'll do is that simply in this one, and you see that it will record and capture every single step. Now if I go here, you see that it clicked on this particular field, and in parallel you can see what is exactly happening and the code is getting generated in parallel. So let's provide username, then go to the password field and provide password, click on login, and here you see that it's successfully logged in. Now just go here, assert visibility, click on this one and click on this one. So you see that it is very easy to do the assertion. So it exactly created the assertion that we have a dashboard, it should be visible. So once login, we need to ensure that we have successfully logged in into the application. So just go here, click from here, assert the text, right? You can assert the text, you can basically copy from here, you can stop from here, pick the locator. For example, you don't want to record everything, you can just simply pick the locator. Right now, what I will do is that I need this code in Playwright Python 1. But before that, just complete this test. Click on this one, click on Logout, and here we have this one. So just assert this thing. Now we have a proper assertions. So in this test, we are going to OrangeRM demo website. We are clicking on the username field. We are providing the username as admin. We are providing the password as admin123, clicking on login button. After that, we are verifying that we are successfully logged in. So we are verifying through the dashboard heading. Then we are clicking on the icon as a profile. So when we click on this one, we see the logout button. We click on logout, and after that, we need to ensure that we have successfully logged out. So for that, we are asserting that it should have a login heading over here. Now, you might be wondering that this is not the Playwright Python scripts. So simply click over here, go here, and your Pytest code is ready. Simply copy this one from here, go back here, and let's create a new Python test. So test underscore login and paste the complete code, and you're good to go. I know that this is a linear script. Eventually, you have to convert that into a page object model, but this is a very good extension to kickstart your automation flows. Instead of writing from the scratch, you can just generate the linear scripts, convert those into the page object models, and go with your automation. Now, let me change it to test underscore login. And now let's run this one. So let me clear this one. And the name of test is basically test underscore login. So login and run this one in the headed mode and see if it works. So it opens the orange channel, provide the username and password, logged in and logged out, and everything passed. Now let's ensure that assertions are actually working fine. The first one is basically the dashboard one. So let me change this one and run this one again. This time, this assertion should fail because the heading is dashboard, not the dashboard one. So assertion should fail because we need to ensure that we have put the right assertion where we are automating the scripts. So this time you see that it got failed assertion error and go up. So basically, if I go here, we will get the information assertion error, and this is the problem, right? Now let's confirm the second assertion where we are basically verifying through the login heading. So again, let me change it to login 1 and now run this one to ensure that this assertion is also working fine. Now again, it will open the orange HRM, it will log into the application, it will log out, and it should try to verify the login one, but it should fail because the heading is login, not the login one. So this means that our assertions are working absolutely fine over here. Now let's go back there, and here simply, for example, you don't want to automate everything, you just need a locator. So simply, we have already selected the Pytest, right? So simply go here, and for example, you need the locator for this one. So here you see that we got the locator, right? And from here you can simply copy the locator in case if you are struggling with the locating any element, right? And here we have different options. We can resume, we can step over, we can change or toggle the color mode, so white or black as per your preferences. And then if you want to clear this, you can click, it will clear all the things. And again, click record, it will start recording. You can also record from here, and you can also record from here, right? So if you go here, so you see that it's working absolutely fine. Now from the locator, again, just click on this one, and if you need a locator of this one, you'll get the locator. So not only just you can generate the script with the session, you can also find the locators, and at the same time you can generate the script and copy the script from here and use that directly inside your ID. So right now we are using the PyCharm. So whatever the ID you're using, simply copy paste, and you're good to go and start with the initial script for the automation testing.